Hello students, welcome back. Today's class is 8th Standard Social Science, Civics, Unit 2, Citizens and Citizenship. Let me move to the video session.
Civics, Unit 2. In this module, you are going to learn citizens and citizenship. What is citizen? Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state. A citizen is a permanent member of the state who has civil, economic and political rights to perform his duties towards the state. Types of citizen. There are two types of citizen: natural citizen and naturalized citizens. Under natural citizens are the citizens by birth. For example, when we born in India, we are an Indian citizen. And the next one is naturalized citizens. Naturalized citizens are the one who acquire citizenship. Acquire means obtain. One who obtains citizenship. Citizenship. The word citizenship in ancient Greek referred to only those people who took direct and active part in the administration of the state. Types of citizenship. Single citizenship, dual citizenship. Let me go through under each heading. Single citizenship. Our Indian constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. There is no separate state citizenship. Dual citizenship. Federal states like USA and Switzerland has dual citizenship. Dual means double, two citizenship. That is national citizenship and state citizenship. In India, all citizens, irrespective of the state in which they are born or reside, enjoy the same political and civil rights of citizenship all over the country. Overseas citizenship of India. NRI, that is non-resident Indian. An Indian citizen who is residing outside India and holds an Indian passport. PIO, that is person on Indian origin. A person whose any ancestors was an Indian nationals and who is presently holding another country's citizenship. Next one is OCI, that is Overseas Citizen of Indian Card Holder. It is an immigration status permitting a foreign citizen of Indian origin to live and work in the Republic of India indefinitely. There are no voting rights for an OCI card holder. Rights and duties of citizen. Our constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. Fundamental rights, that is basic rights of the people. Right to freedom of religion, right to equality, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights. Right to vote in the election to the Lok Sabha and state legislature, right to hold certain public offices, right to become the member of parliament and state legislature. And according to 42 amendment of our constitution, a set of fundamental duties are also prescribed for all citizens of India. For example, paying taxes honestly, respecting the rights, beliefs and opinions of others, defending the country, respect and obey state and local laws, etc.
Acquisition of citizenship. Acquisition means obtaining. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. Citizenship by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, by incorporation of territory. Let me go through under each heading.
By birth. A person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 obtains the citizenship of India. And those who were born before 26 January 1950 and resided in India were also given citizenship. By descent. A person born outside India on or after 26 January 1950 obtains citizenship if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. By registration. Any person who wants to become a citizen of India can acquire citizenship by registration. By naturalization. Foreigners who have lived in India for at least 5 years can acquire citizenship by submitting an application to the President of India. By incorporation of territory. If any new territory becomes a part of the Indian Union, the Government of India notifies those people and Indian citizenship is granted to them. Laws of Indian citizenship in India. Part 2 of the Indian Constitution of India, Article 5 to 11 prescribes 3 ways of losing citizenship. First one is renunciation, second termination and third one is deprivation. Renunciation. An Indian who renounces his or her citizenship by submitting an application to the concerned authority loses his or her citizenship. Termination. When an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, he or she automatically ceases to be an Indian citizen. Deprivation. The citizenship is deprived on the basis of an order of the Government of India in cases involving acquisition of Indian citizenship by fraud, false representation, or being disloyal to the Constitution. Alien and immigrant are the two terms that are used to refer to non-nationals of a country. Alien refers to all non-citizens or non-nationals residing in a country. Example, tourists, foreign students. Immigrant refers to alien who has been granted the right to reside and work permanently without restriction in a particular country. Qualities of a good citizen: loyalty to the Constitution, obeys laws, contribute to the society and community, and perform civic duty. Civic means relating to a city or town. Quality of goodness and justice, respecting diversity. Global citizenship. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter where they live, is a part of worldwide. All people have rights and civic responsibilities. Civic means, already I said, it is relating to a city or town. It is fundamental in enabling young people to access and participate in shaping modern society. Let me go through a short recap. Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state. Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Articles 5 to 11, deals with the citizenship of India. Indian Citizenship Act of 1955 provides for the acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship. Our Indian Constitution provides for a single citizenship. Dear children, I hope you have understood the lesson. Be safe and take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.